are really important for all learners, but especially for children who learn in a kinesthetic way. If they've got something tangible that they can manipulate and touch, and anything that's multisensory is really going to help those children that perhaps don't learn so well just by listening or watching somebody else doing things. They're often especially good for children, lower ability children, to give them something concrete to hook their understanding onto, because I think numbers can be quite an abstract concept for a lot of children, especially numbers. You know, it's okay when you can use your fingers, but once you get past your fingers and toes, what does 40 look like? Well, if you've got that and you can have 4 of those, you know what 40 looks like. So that, I think that can be really useful. Resources can really engage the pupils. I've just been teaching time recently, so having with all the pupils able to have their own clock and manipulate the hour hand and the minute hand, obviously you've just got loads more engagement than if it's just you standing at the front looking at a clock and them telling you what time it is. Last week I was teaching column subtraction, and especially my very low ability children were able to engage and access that lesson, which without having base 10 apparatus and place value counters, they just wouldn't have been able to do. So they were able to, you know, set out the column subtraction with the equipment, and even when they were doing, like, having to borrow from the tens to the units, they could do that because they could actually use the equipment to do that. So therefore they could engage with the learning and with the lesson.